Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can recover deleted photos, videos, and chats on Snapchat, even the ones you thought were gone forever. So stay tuned and follow every step carefully. Alright, first open your Snapchat app and tap your Bitmoji at the top left corner. Once your profile opens, tap the gear icon in the top right to go into settings. Now, scroll all the way down until you see My Data. That's the key section for this process. Tap on it, and Snapchat will ask you to log in again for security reasons. Once you're in, you'll see an option to request your data. Just tap Submit Request. After that, Snapchat will prepare your data. This can take a few minutes to a few hours, and you'll receive an email from Snapchat with a download link. When you open that link, you'll get a zip file containing your entire account data. Inside that file, you'll find your saved chats, memories, old stories, photos, and even videos that were backed up but not visible on your account anymore. Next, open your Snapchat app again and go to Memories by swiping up on the camera screen. Tap the search bar and type the name of a friend or keyword. If you've backed up your snaps before, you'll see them appear there. Make sure your backup progress shows complete, because that means all your snaps are safely stored in the cloud. Now, if you're still missing some photos or videos, check your phone's file manager or gallery app. On Android, you can search for a folder called .com, Snapchat, Android. Sometimes deleted snaps are still stored there temporarily as cache files. On iPhone, check your iCloud photos or recently deleted album. You might just find what you're looking for. So yeah, recovering deleted snaps isn't as impossible as people think. You just need to know where to look. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart tutorials like this, and share it with someone who needs to recover their lost memories. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.